Good morning. My name is Piero. What's your name?
Hi, I am Juan. Nice to meet you, Piero.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Ica. Are you from Ica?
Not. I am not. I am from Lima.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old. And you?
I am 19 years old.
Mm, is this your cell phone?
Yes, it is. My cell phone is black. Is that your watch?
No, is it this my friend watch?
Okay. See you tomorrow, Piero.
Bye, Juan. Have a good day.
Bye.